Isn't it funny how we often talk about work hard, play hard, hustling, and moving forward? We tend to think that we have to keep going every single day, that sometimes we forget about ourselves. We do not realize that we've taken on too much and that we're close to our breaking point. Life becomes a drag, and it feels as if life is just passing by. Today, I want to tell you that it's more than okay to take a step back and spend time with yourself, or with your furry friend, in your favorite pajamas, with your unwashed hair up in a ponytail. Stand back from life. Listen to your body, your mind, and that voice within that's telling you to hit the pause button. Give love. Feel love. And bask in simple pleasures. Break your routine. Do something different. Like maybe going out to feel the sun, getting some fresh air into your lungs, and listening to the world wake up around you. Meet like-minded people, listen to their stories, take turns to talk, and have the best conversations of your life. Do what you love. Do something that you love. Be whomever you feel like being in the moment. Do something. Do anything or do nothing. Take a shower. Be completely alone, with the water, with your thoughts, with yourself. Take your guard down and be vulnerable. Stop waiting for the perfect time to take a break. Trust me, it will never come. Because there's always something to do and take care of. I guess that's life, and that's just the way things are. You gotta take a break before you break. It doesn't have to be about going away. It can be as simple as hanging out in pajamas all day, spending time alone, watching your favorite show on Netflix, or perhaps not having a single plan of what to do, doing absolutely nothing.